You did everything right. You followed all the rules. So why does your body feel different? It starts with estrogen and progesterone shifts after 35. Strength training 2 times weekly, not bulking, building metabolic resilience, and improving insulin sensitivity. Prioritize protein at every meal. Research shows higher protein intake increases metabolic rate and reduces hunger hormones. Protect your sleep. Cortisol from chronic stress increases visceral fat storage. Your wind-down hour is non-negotiable. Start with 1 strength session this week. This isn't about perfection. It's about working with your body, not against it. Follow for more science-backed health breakdowns.